What if I told you that one of the most recommended business books by Bill Gates and Warren Buffett was written more than 50 years ago? It's not about startups, it's not about modern tech, it's about real business stories, real mistakes, real risks, and real human behavior. Let's break down the 12 business adventures from this timeless classic. 1. The Fluctuation. Topic: Stock market crash. This chapter describes the 1962 stock market crash. The market was rising fast, investors felt confident. Then, suddenly, everything dropped. Example: an investor who borrowed money to buy stocks lost everything within days because he didn't manage risk properly. Lesson: markets are driven by fear and greed, not just numbers. 2. The Fate of the Edsel. Topic: a failed product launch. Ford Motor Company launched the Edsel with huge expectations. They spent millions on research and marketing, but the car failed badly. Example: Ford believed customers wanted a mid-priced luxury car, but the market didn't respond the way they expected. Lesson: even big companies can misunderstand customers. 3. The Federal Income Tax. Topic: complexity of tax systems. This chapter explains how complicated tax systems can be. Example: some corporations used legal loopholes to reduce taxes, legal but ethically questionable. Lesson: understanding regulations is critical in business. 4. A reasonable amount of time. Topic: banking crisis. A rumor spread that a bank was in trouble. People rushed to withdraw their money. Example: the bank collapsed not because it had no money, but because people panicked. Lesson: banking runs on trust. Once trust breaks, everything collapses. 5. Xerox, Xerox, Xerox. Topic: the power of innovation. Xerox created the modern photocopy machine. Example: because of strong patents, competitors couldn't copy the technology for years. Lesson: innovation plus protection can dominate a market. 6. The Impacted Philosophers. Topic: the psychology of brokers. Stockbrokers often believe they understand the market deeply. Example: a broker confidently recommends a hot stock and it crashes. Lesson: even experts are influenced by emotion. 7. The Go-Go Years. Topic: high-speed investing era. In the 1960s, aggressive fund managers became stars. Example: investors blindly trusted young, bold fund managers until markets slowed down. Lesson: when everyone is overly optimistic, risk is high. 8. In defense of sterling. Topic: currency crisis. The British pound came under pressure, affecting global markets. Example: when one major currency weakens, international trade suffers. Lesson: the global economy is deeply connected. 9. The brokers. Topic: the power of information. Brokers often had access to information before the public. Example: those with inside knowledge made profits before others reacted. Lesson: information is power in financial markets. 10. $81 million. Topic: corporate fraud. This chapter tells the story of accounting manipulation inside a company. Example: financial records were adjusted to hide real losses. Lesson: without ethics, success doesn't last. 11. The Last Great Corner. Topic: market manipulation. Investors tried to control the supply of a stock to push prices higher. Example: prices rose temporarily, then collapsed dramatically. Lesson: markets cannot be controlled forever. 12. A Second Sort of Life. Topic: the inner world of business leaders. This chapter explores the psychological pressure of business success. Example:
A successful executive struggles internally despite public success. Lesson: business success comes with emotional cost. Markets change, technology changes, but human behavior, fear, greed, ambition, stays the same. That's why Business Adventures is still relevant today. If you want to understand business beyond numbers, this book is a must-read. Subscribe to Deep Reads Daily, because here we don't just summarize books, we understand them deeply.